Ready to level up your crypto trading? Ever wonder how to access the advanced tools and lower fees that the pros use on Gemini? You might be using the standard Gemini interface and not even realize there's a whole other world waiting for you, a world called ActiveTrader. It's the trading platform designed for more experienced users, with advanced charts, a deeper order book, and a ton of sophisticated order types you won't find on the regular interface. And perhaps most importantly, it offers a tiered, make-or-take-your fee schedule that can significantly reduce your costs, especially for high-volume trading. So, how do you get started? First, you'll need a Gemini account. Once you're logged in on your web browser, just navigate to the Account tab in the top right corner. From there, you'll find the option to enable the ActiveTrader UI. With a single click, you'll toggle over to the Pro-level platform. Once you're in, you'll see a completely different layout. You'll have access to TradingView charts with a huge range of indicators and drawing tools for in-depth analysis. On the right, you'll see the deep order book, which provides a real-time look at the buy and sell orders for a specific asset. This is a massive advantage over the basic interface, giving you a better sense of market depth and liquidity. When it comes to placing an order, you have way more options. Beyond simple market and limit orders, you can use stop limit orders, immediate or cancel, or fill or kill orders. These allow you to execute more precise trading strategies and manage your risk more effectively. Simply select your trading pair, choose your order type, input the amount and price, and confirm your trade. Using ActiveTrader can feel a bit intimidating at first, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. It's the key to unlocking a more powerful and cost-effective trading experience on Gemini. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.